Not really. Wait, how are we already here?
Teleportation.
Oh, Joy, I love the beach. It's been so long since I was here, since Geppetto was eaten by a whale. Oh yeah, that sounds pretty rough, but yes, I can not relate. See, the nice ocean air and I don't really know what to say, but aren't you guys glad that I brought you here?
No, I never wanted to go on this trip in the first place.
Oh, come on, Wario, be grateful. Anyway, I'm going back to my natural habitat.
Wait, Mr. K?
Well, he's dead. So who wants some food?
Oh, of course you would want food, big yacky bigums.
Oh, well, how will you say that to Dolly over here? He's the biggest back of them all.
Oh, what did I even do? No, I'm always in all of this stuff. Everybody, I cannot do this anymore.
Wait, Pinocchio!
Come here, Wario, I'll show you what for. Hey guys, you want some Cheez-Its?
Sure, I'll have some.